Welcome to another short video. In this one we're going to show you how to use Duplicator. It's another backup video, another backup program, and also there's a video in Automotive Website Solutions YouTube channel that's called R1 Soft Restore Websites for car dealer websites. It does automatic backups every 4 hours with Duplicator. This is a manual operation. Being a manual operation, I guess, is good for when you want to take your website down and put it elsewhere. It just comes in 2 files, a zip archive and an installer PHP file. And in this little demo we're going to show you how to create your extraction file. So at the top left hand corner, click into the control panel of your website, come down to Duplicator, now all features in here are set default. There really is no need to change anything, but you can go through the settings and have a quick look, so we'll just browse at that right now. Today's date, the 13th of the 6th 2018, version 1.2.38 latest. You can set this to however you like this to be. I prefer it to be day, months and year. We have schedules. This is only for professional version. That's about $99 every 12 months through Snap Creek. Duplicator Professional. Storage will be the same. This doesn't allow you the free version to, as a professional version allows you to have external drop-off points. License to buy a professional version. Now let's go to a quick look at tools. This is being stored in your public HTML folder on your server in your cPanel. You can see here I'm running on the Lightspeed service in your public HTML. Okay. Templates for professional version. Now let's just go straight to packages and create new. It will generate a random name, so the name of your site. Storage, again, this is default in your public HTML WP snapshots folder, so we can leave these as all default. There's no need to change any of this. So let's go to create new. Next. Scan the site. It will tell you the size. It will tell you if there are files that are too large, and here we are, 204 megabytes in size. It's telling me here size checks, read checks. You can go through these. As for just right now, I'm going to go yes, I want to continue with this build. Even with the professional version, this here does not appear as a notice build. Depending on the size, it was 204 megabytes. Should bring it down to about 105 maybe. Let's see how it goes. This could take up to 30 seconds to a minute. Okay, that was roughly about a minute and a half. So we can go to download the installer. We'll take this to the desktop. And the archive zip folder. So we'll just wait for that to download. Now both files have downloaded. Here's the zip, and here's the PHP installer. These 2 files are what you would use, or you can have a developer use these to install your new website. Thank you for watching.